Burnsy's gonna work on Jordan's Mustang. We're gonna get the trans out because Justin's gonna be able to finally come get it. He's finally got time. So Burnsy's gonna get the trans out. He's gonna get these old motor mounts out. He's gonna get the old exhaust manifold out of our way. Basically, we're gonna be ready to drop the new motor in a little bit. So
yeah.
Get crack-a-lacking, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you doing down there, Burnsy?
Nothing. You almost ready to grab that bell housing?
No.
No, I figured not.
No. Definitely not.
I don't think so. But you know, I thought he asked.
We'll call Mr. Pecker, see if he can come by today.
Okay. You want to wait to pull it out when he gets here?
No, get it out so it's done.
Okay.
Needs to be out. Get it out. We'll get this out of the way. We can start prepping to put the...
You want to go up that way?
I mean, we're low enough. Yeah, you probably don't want to go that way because the center link's there. So we'll go up and then back down.
Okay. Well, whenever you guys are ready to grab that bell housing.
Scotty! Scotty! Hello? Scotty? There he is. What the fuck? Hey, can you grab this bell housing?
Who we for? Sweet 2.
Sweet 2. Right
be
there.
Victor.
That would be Victor.
I know. What do you need?
Hold that bell housing up because we're going to go up and just kind of rest it on the center link, and then we're going to go down and out.
Hold this.
Muskrat.
Careful, that's super pointy.
Don't put that in my pocket next to my nuts. Got it. I almost did. That'd have been really funny. I'd be like, ah!
Hey, puppy.
Hey, boys. So is it ready to slide?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, so Scotty, you just got to kind of pick it up, set it on the center link, and then once the tail shaft clears, just drop it out. Oh, that thing's looser than... I wasn't going to say it, Burnsy, because you know the rest of that joke, and you'll kill me.
Which one?
Well, it's about your mom.
Oh! I mean, she did fucking marry a black guy.
Hey, we're on video!
Oh!
I'll edit that.
Really just squeezed myself in between the motor mounts.
Well, Burnsy's taking those out, so it'll be easier.
Like,
Good
what
job,
do you need me to
Burnsy.
Pick up.
Pick it up and slide it forward. Burnsy, kind of support it.
Good.
And get it up on that center link. And then once you're clear back there, drop it down and we'll pull it out the front. Scotty, you got to come up.
I got an exhaust system in the way.
There we go.
Cool. Drive shafts out.
Oh, easy enough. I love these cars. They're so easy. Look at you, Scotty. You strong like
I
animal.
should put gloves on.
Yeah, well,
We'll have to get him some gloves too, because
we know the last time you forgot to wear gloves, you had your second
Dang, I
child.
have 2 prime examples.
Yeah,
and how old are your prime examples?
One's gonna be 15 and 10 days.
Yeah,
And
Okay.
then my
Boy or girl?
Girl.
Okay.
And my son's 7.
My youngest just turned 31.
Oh, jeez Louise.
All right, so anyway, the trans is out.
No, it is a neutral,
Gender neutral sludge box.
gender neutral slush box.
Okay. All right, we'll drag it out, and then let's get that oil cleaned up, and then Burnsy, get this and the mounts out. All right, we're on it. Good job, boys.
Look, Ma,
Cramping.
no hands.
Burnsy's on the floor with cramps.
Yep.
And I'm standing on the head of the car. I mean, well, yeah.
Look at it's got one Scotty power.
One Scotty.
Hold
Fuck,
my
that,
hand.
that ain't
Take
going
my hand if you want to live.
Beam me up, Scotty.
God, if I had a nickel for every time I fucking heard that.
I bet. You know, and after I said it, I was like, I bet he's heard that millions.
Oh, yeah, if not more.
Burnsy, you got the manifold out.
Yep.
Now you're gonna take the whole rest of the exhaust system out.
Yep.
We don't need that anymore. You got one motor mount out, and you said this one's spinning. Oh, because they're junk.
Yeah.
They're always junky junk. Okay, so we'll deal with that in a bit. Maybe we'll just go in with the Sawzall and cut the stud off.
That's what I was thinking.
But so Burnsy's gonna get the rest of the exhaust off because we have a dual system for this.
Okay.
Yeah, all ready to go.
Nice.
So we'll get that ready. Do a little more cleanup in here, and waiting on this harness. Gotta keep it on the ring. Need that harness. A couple little things we're waiting for. Then we'll be almost ready to start putting it back together.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. I'll go get you a Sawzall.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? Getting the exhaust out, eh?
The muffler?
Oh, yeah, because you dragged most of the exhaust system over there. I see it.
Yes, sir.
And we have a set of duals for this, which is going to be killer because we got a header that has 3 and 3 on the fresh motor. So it's going to be cool. Yeah, it's going to rip, dude. It's going to be
crazy with that.
It's going to be way better. So we also got to get the sawzall on that little booger.
Yep.
But finish getting the exhaust off.
Yes,
We'll do that. Oh, look, manifold. So just getting some stuff done. Kind of getting caught up. Justin's finally probably coming to get the trans today, he said. He might come later this evening and get it. Or I'll get it from me tomorrow. Whatever. But he'll get it, and he'll start on that this weekend. Mr. Bernsey. All right. Everything's out in here now. We're almost ready to put... We gotta wait for the trans to come back. But then we'll be ready to put things back.
This all engine bay pressure wash.
Yeah, we'll clean her up a little bit. We got a harness coming from Alan at Mustang Country because it's got some hacky hokey nonsense. We got to do a little work when we put the cooling system back in because electric fan and everything like that, which we got to go through a little more. But everything's in the trunk. The old exhaust manifold, it's in the scrap pile because it's junk. And we need to get this trans stuff. Bearing kit, 3-speed with synchros. Yes. Okay, so when Justin comes, that goes with the trans.
Okay.
Let's go drain that, and then we can start. I guess now we're on hold until Justin gets back.
Yes, sir.
All right. Progress. Well, there's little stuff we got to do.
Yeah.
We got to do some cowl work too, but that's later.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice. Can't wait to see this one done and run.
Yeah, this one's good. I like this one. All right, cool.